Hey guys, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Guys, today we have new packet from Temu and we are going to unbox it together. Which one are we starting with? Let's start with the big one. Let's drop this one small on the ground. And let's start with this one. Let's start with this one. Guys, if you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, please kindly do so. Leave me a comment in the comment section. Let's unbox together. I think this is my husband. I for him. And so this is to keep eyeglass. But eyeglass is for my husband. This is one because this is for the children. What is it for the children? Also for fingernail. For manicure. For the children. For the children. This is this is for the charging phone. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's very important. This is the cloth. I don't know what's in front of me. This is, I think, my eyeglass. I have this one. I just made mistake. I got the same thing. Eyeglass. This is also for the children. This is it look too small. I think I make mistake. It's iPhone 17 Pro Max cover, but I think I make mistake. I think I take the iPhone, only iPhone 17 Pro Max is bigger than that because I'm going to buy them phone very soon. Phone, I make mistake. This is small. I think it's just iPhone 17. I don't think it's Pro Max. But the color is very beautiful, very fine. Put it aside. I think it's the same thing. Another one. It's the same thing. Oh no, this is for I think it's for my husband. I ordered it for my husband phone. It's Samsung Galaxy S24. He doesn't even know about it. I'm not sure he will like the color. What is inside here? Let's look what is inside here. Let's look what is inside here. Okay, it's I think I know it's for Africa people to make fufu blender anyway. Oh nice. These people they say the same thing. Oh no, this is different. This is different. Yeah, it's to make fufu. This is to make fufu. Yeah. I don't know. To make milk pie. It's very small something. It's to make fufu, yeah. It's to make fufu. Cassava fufu, plantain fufu, yam fufu. It's to make with it. It's to make with it. Yeah, it's very nice. I love it. I love it. Is this that thing? I don't know how it's working. The other one I have tried, but this one come with another one already. This one have another one already. This is just the one. I don't know. But anyway, this is to remove. This also when if you don't want to use this one, you can use this one just to turn it. It's also very nice. And this is for milk pie. It's very small. Okay, this I really love it. I really love it. Because maybe I'm going to cook egusi soup today. I'm trying to make fufu with it. It's too late. Too late. I really love it, yeah. I love it. I love it. I love it. Let's put it here. We finish with one packet already. Let's start with the second one. More things around me. Let's put this one aside. This is very important. So put it here before we make mistake and throw it. Oh, yeah. Oh my goodness. Oh, this is for the children. For the children. Let me see to the side them. It's a good quality. Oh, it's very good quality. It's good quality anyway. It's for the children. Wow. I think it's 10 pieces inside. 10 pieces inside. Wow, this is my earphone. Look nice. My earphone. Oh, it look nice. It look very nice. Look nice. Look nice. This is the earphone. Earphone with microphone. But it doesn't like this type. It doesn't like this type of earphone. It's earphone with microphone. The box of it. It look very good. I love it. I love it. It's my earphone. Then for the chicken. Again, oh no, this is for Justin. No. Yeah, it's the same thing for the chicken. No, I really love the texture is very good. I love it for the children. This is for the children. Which one is this? Oh, okay. It's this for this. You have the big one and you have the small one. You can take the two type. You can take the big. This is the big one, and you can take the small one. It's okay. It's good. And have not get complaint so far. I think this other is very nice. This is, I think, eyeglass. Yeah, eyeglass. Oh yeah, and I phone case. Another phone case. This is for my friend. My friend, her name start with N. This is for my friend. Her name start with N. Oh, my leg, my back. I don't know. Okay, for fingernail. My children want to learn how to fix fingernail. Yeah. What is this? I order many things for the fingernail because my children want to learn how to fix fingernail. That's why I order this one. Let me show you. It's fingernail accessories. It has a lot of. I don't know if I can open it. How to open it? Yeah. Yeah. They have a lot of tool for finger because the children want to learn how to do it. Let's go back for this one. Again another. Yeah, I doubled the command. This is another earphone. I have this one, but I think this one is very nice. Ooh, I love it. I have this one in another color, milk color. And I lost one side, that's why I ordered this one. It's very good. Oh no, this is what I ordered versus what I got. But I have tablet and I have my laptop. I think it will help. It just protect us, screen protector. But I'm not sure it's when I order screen protector. I don't know. I don't think. But I have a laptop. I think it will help. It will be useful. I got it from. My laptop is bigger than this. That's what I order and that's what I order and what I got. I'm filming with my laptop also. It's bigger than this. No, this is not good. That's what I order. Yeah. This is clothes. This is not good. This two things is not good. This and this are not good. What I ordered is what I got. It's not good. It's not what I wanted. This is very small. But I have two tablets. I have a small tablet inside. Let's see if it's going to work. But the camera side is not going to work because that's my tablet in the room. The camera is from this side. This one is very big. It's small. Anyway, guys, thank you for watching. Tell me what you think about the order. If you can try it, I try to order it because I want to make video and see what is going to come. But above all, I love this one because it's going to make my fufu. I love it because I'm going to make fufu with it. Plantain fufu, cassava fufu, all of them. See you for the next video. Take care. Yay. It's like I didn't. Hey, God.